King of the Mountain.
Custom cars only.
Wagon versus Camioneta Baja. Warpig 76 is driving in the Meat Wagon. It's a Hot Wheels rapid responder weighing 112.8 grams. DT99 Race is driving in the Camioneta Baja. It's a customized Baja breaker weighing 128 grams. This race is best 2 out of 3. The winner advances on to round 2.
And the first race goes to the Meat Wagon. Warpig 76 with a time of 5.516 seconds. Race 2. And here's your first winner of the night. Warpig 76 driving in the Meat Wagon. He gets a time of 4.420 seconds. He'll be moving on to round 2.
SteakOut versus The Plug. JD439 is driving in SteakOut. It's a customized combat medic weighing 105.4 grams. He'll be going up against Hot Wheel Racer Mike driving in The Plug. It's a modified matchbox truck weighing 105.4 grams. Winner of this race will advance to round 2 to take on the Meat Wagon.
And the first race goes to the Plug. Hot Wheel Racer Mike with a time of 4.707 seconds. Race 2. And here's your second winner of the night. Hot Wheel Racer Mike driving in The Plug. He gets a time of 4.467 seconds. And now it's time for round 2.
Round 2. The Meat Wagon versus The Plug. Winner of this race earns a title match against the King of the Mountain, 72 Chevy C10 in Cheyenne.
And the first race goes to Warpig 76 in the Meat Wagon. He gets an impressive time of 4.302 seconds. Race 2. Driving in the Meat Wagon. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry for some pork.
Warpig 76 earns the title match against the King of the Mountain, 72 Chevy C10 driving in Cheyenne. That's coming up next time on King of the Mountain.